spice-infused tapestry of Sri Lankan cuisine, a journey through flavor and tradition. Sri Lankan cuisine is a diverse and flavorful culinary tradition that reflects the rich cultural and historical tapestry of the island nation of Sri Lanka. Located in the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka's cuisine has been influenced by a myriad of cultures over centuries, including Indian, Dutch, Portuguese, British, and Arab influences. This fusion of flavors and ingredients has given rise to a unique and vibrant food culture that is both delicious and distinctive. Here's a detailed introduction to Sri Lankan cuisine. Staples in Sri Lankan cuisine. Rice. Rice is the staple food of Sri Lanka and is consumed at nearly every meal. Both white and red rice are popular, with red rice being considered more nutritious. Coconut. Coconut is another essential ingredient in Sri Lankan cuisine. Coconut milk, coconut oil, and grated coconut are used extensively in cooking, adding richness and flavor to dishes. Spice palette of Sri Lankan. Cooking. Sri Lankan cuisine is known for its bold and aromatic spices. Commonly used spices include cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, cumin, coriander, fenugreek, and curry leaves. The use of chili peppers is widespread, resulting in dishes with varying degrees of spiciness. Sri Lankan cuisine is famous for its fiery curries, the art of Sri Lankan curries. Sri Lankan curries are a cornerstone of the cuisine. They can be made with a variety of ingredients, including vegetables, meat, such as chicken, beef, or fish, and lentils. Curry pastes are created by grinding and blending spices, often with freshly grated coconut, to create a base for curries. The mixture is then simmered with the main ingredients and coconut milk. Rice and curry, Sri Lanka's signature dish. A traditional Sri Lankan meal typically consists of rice served with an array of curries and side dishes. These may include dal, lentil curry, a vegetable curry, a meat or seafood curry, sambal, a spicy condiment, and papadam, thin, crispy lentil wafers. Hoppers and string hoppers, Sri Lanka's unique creations. Hoppers are bowl-shaped, fermented rice flour pancakes with a crispy edge and a soft center. They can be served with a variety of toppings, such as egg hoppers, with an egg cracked into the center, or sweet coconut milk. String hoppers are made from rice noodles and are often served with curries or sambal. Seafood delights of Sri Lankan. Cuisine. Given its coastal location, Sri Lanka is renowned for its fresh seafood. Popular seafood dishes include fish, ambul thiyal, sour fish curry, prawn curry, and cuttlefish curry. Sweets and desserts in Sri Lankan. Cooking. Sri Lankan sweets include a variety of treats like kokis, crispy deep-fried cookies, kavum, sweet rice cakes, and wattalapam, a spiced coconut custard. Many sweets are made using jaggery, a type of unrefined sugar, and coconut. The tea culture of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is famous for its tea production, and Ceylon tea is known worldwide. Tea is an integral part of Sri Lankan culture, and a cup of tea is often offered as a gesture of hospitality. Exploring Sri Lankan street food. Sri Lanka has a vibrant street food scene with popular snacks like samosas, vadai, fried lentil patties, and kotu roti, chopped roti with vegetables and meat. Sri Lankan cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and textures, ranging from mild and aromatic to spicy and bold. It offers a tantalizing culinary journey for those willing to explore its diverse and delectable dishes. Whether you're a fan of curries, rice dishes, or sweets, Sri Lankan cuisine has something to satisfy every palate.